replacing the turbo coolant return line on a B46 BMW 430i. Alright, so here's the issue. Turbo return line is backing up and spilling coolant. So the goal is to replace this coolant line. This is not the typical coolant line that fails. This one fails frequently. This is a separate line that's also made in a strange way. So you have rubber and metal without a clamp. Remove the air filter box, not too hard, loosen the clamp here, and then you just have to pull really hard straight up to get that piece out. And that gives us access to this bolt all the way down there. And then there's a second bolt right there that just needed to come out. Alright, so update, I had to remove air box and the air return line, which wasn't too hard. Had to undo clamp and the metal clamp back here. That gives you more room to work on the pipe. I have the new one in, and down here there's this metal circle, half circle. You got to pop him out before you can pop out him, because the same screw hole is used for both. I even loosened up this, which was probably unnecessary. Alright, we're reassembled. Got the air system back in place, connected that back together, and these pipes here are all nice and in there, and then had to bolt down the new return line down there, and then hooked it up right here. So ready to go for the next trick, which is where you put a battery charger to the car, go inside and activate the water pump so that you can get air out of the coolant system. So to do this, you press the car on to accessory mode, turn the fan to level 1, heat all the way up, make sure AC is off, and then once you're in this mode here, you then press the gas pedal for about 15 seconds. So I'm going to do that. Back at the fuel for the coolant reservoir. There's a very high-pitched sound of the fan and the pump moving, and you can see at times there's some oscillation in the fluid, and you're supposed to let this run for 15 minutes. Forget to turn off your lights.